I'm Moe.
I'm Rin.
Today we are going to make Japanese food called takikomi rice.
Takikomi rice is seasoned and cooked rice.
We will use these ingredients. This is dashi, which is Japanese soup stock. This is sake, which is a rice wine. This is mirin, which is sweet rice wine used in cooking. Let's start cooking!
First, make 4 cups of dashi soup with this dashi stock and hot water. Next, wash 4 cups of rice.
And put them in the dashi soup.
Next, cut 120 grams of boneless chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces. And soak them in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and sake.
Next, cut a half of carrot into rectangular pieces. After 30 minutes, put the lid on and cook on high heat.
After 10 minutes, make the heat strong again for just 5 seconds. And stop the heat. Next, steam them for 15 minutes.